Please, what can I do to this chaff? This chaff from the carrots and the cucumber. You can see, usually, sometimes I will put it in a nylon, put in the fridge, and add as a fiber for my smoothie. Yeah, so. Hey! Jesus! Ekwenche! So guys, let's make a quick glowing juice that will help glow your skin. I've been missing on drinking juice for a long time now. I can't remember the last time I had juice, so I want to take you guys along. Right here we have carrots, for which you can see here, and we have cucumber, we have ginger, for which you can see here. All these are very, very good for our immune system, and also it's going to help glow our skin. So let's get right into making this. Please, what can I do to this chaff? This chaff from the carrots and the cucumber. You can see, usually, sometimes I will put it in a nylon, put in the fridge, and add as a fiber for my smoothie. That is what I usually do, but I don't know if I'll be doing smoothie anytime soon. Yeah. So what do you usually do to yours? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Yeah. So guys, here's our juice, okay? It's a little bit greeny because there is cucumber inside, okay? Just a little cucumber, okay? You can decide to do only carrot juice, orange, and ginger and get the yellowish color that you want. But for me, I added cucumber because I had a lot in my fridge. So here is our juice. Let me pour it out and show you guys. So there you have it. Here is our juice. You can decide to remove the foamy stuff on top and enjoy your juice, but now from the juice, no be potty be. So here is our juice. Let's get right into the next juice that I want to show you guys. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using to make our second juice, which is cucumber, this is lettuce, this is ginger, and we have celery here. And we also have our lemon. I'll be showing you that later. So everything has been washed, cut, and we'll be blending them immediately. So this will be a green smoothie, a green juice, okay? Now, this will help you for your flat tummy. Belly fat, this one will wash it away, okay? Now, let's blend this. So, add. I'll be blending one after the other so that everything will be crushing very well, because if you add everything at once, some will blend, some will not blend. So I'll be blending the veggies first before I add our cucumber. Yeah. So guys, we'll be pouring in some water, a little water. So we'll be blending. So I'll be adding in our cucumber right now. Yeah, so that everything will marry well. Dina munye. Bangoringo wero taba boni mi. Hey. Add everything. So I'll be adding in a little water because cucumber already has water in. Yeah, that's fine. Then if I'm blending, it's not blending very well, I will now need to add more water. So let's blend. So guys, here is our sieve and we'll be pouring it in. Yeah. And voila. You can see it. Okay, ogwo bala. Blood tonic. Blood unke tonic. I'll be allowing this to sieve down. Yeah. So this is the chaff from the green juice that we just blended. This is a real fiber. Sometimes it's not all about drinking only the juice. Sometimes you can make a smoothie with this so that you get to take in some fiber, because this is actually the nutrients from the green juice that I just removed. But sometimes you drink juice, sometimes you drink smoothie. So this is the chaff. Let me show you the juice. Yeah, so guys, here is our green smoothie. What am I calling this smoothie? These are green juice. So here is lemon. I'll be squeezing in some lemon in. Okay, I'll be using 1 lemon anyway, or let me just use only half. I was supposed to use that one, but there is no need. Let me use only half. So squeeze in enough and you mix. Oh, blood don't get on it. Blood don't get on it. So here is it. It's as green as ever. As green as ever. Yeah. Let's pour. What's it? Yeah, so. So here is our green juice. So there you have it. Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, okay? Y'all. I just want to test to see. Hey! Jesus! Ekwenche! Aye! So people, make your choice. Is this orange or yellow? This is orange. Orange or green. Choose wisely, oh. Choose wisely. Nka or nka. Nka or nka. So I'll be storing this in the fridge. I'll be taking it later. Please, I want to burn belly fat. I want to burn fat, general fat in fat. And drinking juice and smoothies is sure going to help me. But it's just the time to be blending all these things. Time no day. Anyway, this is the one I'll be drinking for this weekend. And so help me God to get to the desired size I want in this my weight loss. So we are done and dusted. This is how I stored it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, share this video if you like it. Of course you will like it, not if. I know you will like it because this is very healthy for the body. Click on the notification bell and please join my membership. It's another way to support me. Give this video thumbs up. It's very, very important. And I will sure see you guys in my next one. Bye. Signing out.